Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss this ultra rare homeopathic mother tinctures which are manufactured exclusively by St. George's Homeopathy since 1945, Bangalore based company in Karnataka. Now what happens? There are some tinctures which are neither manufactured nor special ordered from the abroad by any other homeopathic company, but this St. George Homeopathy has made some really rare tinctures, and thanks to Prasad Homeo Pharmacy in Belgaum for getting me this tinctures delivered in Uttarakhand. Now without wasting any other time, I am going to show you this tinctures. These are rare tinctures and are only available in St. George's Homeopathy. Now moving forward without any further ado, this is Harpagophytum procumbens mother tincture. Excellent remedy for incurable cases of rheumatism. That is, the patients who are not getting significant results with the help of guaiacum, Rustoph and other anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic medicines will definitely 100% get significant results with the help of this Harpagophytum procumbens mother tincture. But the catch is this medicine is only produced and only being available by St. George's Homeopathy, and the price is also on the higher end, 770 rupees for a 100 ml bottle. But when it gives significant results, the cost factor doesn't make sense, so we'll just go with it and I'll just prescribe it to my patients to get really good results. Now also Cynaras qualimus, Melissa officinalis, Sedum acre, another excellent remedy for piles, Centellum album in cases of melasma which are not getting good results with the help of other CP or any other Bacillium other medicines. Centellum album you can use along with the glycerin, topical only. And other than that, Populus tremuloides, Triteva nurvala, Celastrus paniculata, Cassia alata, Althea officinalis. It is an excellent remedy for H. pylori induced gastritis. I am having a patient who is having the problem of H. pylori gastritis. He was getting good results with the help of phosphorus, oxydendron, geranium mag, hydrostes, but now he is not getting as good results he used to get previously. So I have specially ordered this Althea officinalis for him, and I'll just prescribe him and see what the results are. So these are the ultra rare homeopathic mother tinctures by St. George, and you won't believe this package itself cost me around rupees 10,000. But when it comes to cure and giving excellent quality of treatment to my patients, to my incurable patients as well, the cost factor doesn't matter me much. I'll dispense them in a regular rate only. But yeah, this St. George's Homeopathy has provided me this range of ultra rare homeopathic mother tinctures which are not available in any other homeopathic brand in India. So kudos to them, thank you to them, and a great shout out to Prasad Homeo as well for providing me with this tinctures. So that was all about it, and I hope you like this video. This was a knowledgeable video for mostly the doctors only, the physicians, homeopathic physicians only. But yeah, you should definitely try such rare homeopathic medicines in cases of incurable or prolonged chronic patients who are not getting significant results with other normal homeopathic medicines. So that was all about it, and you can watch other videos in our channel as well for more such information. Thank you so much. That was all about it. Have a nice day.